Hello, Mr. Angus Wangus back for a video. Finally got this thing rigged up. Made a stand for it, which actually is better because having it hang off that other one was difficult to get it on there and stuff, but this is better. But I don't have it on the wheel right now because I'm taking like a baseline sort of measurement. Here's my input. And it punched that in there anyway. Not good for the tests that I'm going to be doing. The video right here, I'm going to throw a couple clips together, but just want to give a baseline of where I'm at. With this input, it's giving me about 895 RPM. A little more than in past vids, but that's okay. I can make it go faster as well. Anyways, there's the input. I won't be touching it. I'm making a video of him. So next clip, I'm going to put the coils next to the wheel and go from there. Alright. Okay, part 2. Now I have the coil hooked up next to the wheel. Just like before, really. Same parameters for surrounding the magnet. Someone had asked about seeing the wheel. I really don't have time to tear everything apart and do all that. Besides, I'm still testing, and I've been hesitant to give numbers out and things like that. But basically, this is I mean, in general, okay, I have 22 gauge wire on there, and I've used like 18 gauge, and I'm still testing this. Each of these coils is 1 kilogram, but that's just a little piece of wood with holes screwed in it and zip ties, and that holds them on there very well. Hope that helped. It's just a DC motor from a printer. This is a motor driving circuit. Very simple. The bearings are from a roller blade. But anyways, I have the input as before, and I have the output here. I have a small cap here, and a switch before. This is open, so as the wheel speeds up, the cap's going to fill. We'll see it here. And then I just have the meter on the end, which is almost a short circuit, and I'll engage that. That's open right now. So here we go. I'm going to give her a flip, turn it on. It was going 890, I want to say, in that first clip. Everything's been testing me this morning with this, and I've really kind of had it for the day with this. I've got tuning up to do on the stand already, and the batteries I thought were dead in the tack, but it came to be that it was the sunlight. So we're letting it fill up. I have the coils in parallel. This is 22 gauge. Each coil is a kilogram. Here's the input. It's going down as the wheel speeds up. And it's going to take a few minutes. The cap's filling. We don't have a current going through the meter yet. But we'll take a speed reading. And with the coils not engaged, it doesn't come anywhere near. Its speed without the coils, right? So what we'll do is we'll flip the switch. The current's coming through the meter now. We got 120 milliamps. It's basically shouldered through. The wheel's speeding up. As we use the energy in the resistor here, the wheel's speeding up. Input's dropping. And again, I haven't touched the input from the last clip. Still speeding up. Now have a look at it. Still rising slowly. We'll give it a minute. I'm putting this away for the day. I might do some testing on it later. Now, I should say, I wanted to compare this core to what I'd been using before. There's a reaction to the wheel, but it's not better. I would actually say that it's worse. So, what I'm going to do is, I'm going to make another core. I'm thinking that there's not as much energy, it's just not communicating like it would if it was naturally together, without having been welded together, I think. And the design perhaps sucks, I don't know. But I've got a thick piece of steel. It's actually sort of an oval shape. And I'm going to bend it into shape. I'll have to shape it and bend it, and that'll take a little bit of work. But that's the next thing I'm going to try. I really am not impressed with the core, with the reaction I'm getting. Got a much better reaction with the little piece of rebar. It was, you know, it hadn't been welded together and stuff like that. So, I'm not real happy with the result here because of the time that I spent on all this. So I'm going to go have a cigarette and think about my next core design. Our input has dropped a little bit more. Let's check the speed here. At 595. So we're still 300 RPM fewer than what we had to look at with the with no core next to there. Now I'm noticing that, and my meter's buggered maybe. Everything's going wrong today. Oh my goodness. Anyways, there you go. Wanted to make a vid and show you guys what I'm up to. So I'm going to be making another core and working at that. There you are. I might test this a little more. I'm not sure. I don't think the core's not reacting in the percentages like I've had before. The percentages have all remained the same thus far, but they're not the same now. I can see that right away. So the core is not good, is my presumption. So I'm going to make another one and try it out. But anyways, there you go. Wanted to give a show you guys what I'm doing, and give a look at it. There you go. I'll be back. I'm going to do something fun. I'm not having fun at this today, so I'm taking a break from it. I'm going to do something fun. I hope you guys are having a good weekend. Talk to you later.